What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JackSportsBreaks.com. Today is Tuesday, May 10th, 2022. Doing our 2022 Bowman Baseball 10 Blaster Box Break. Pick your team number 3. Number 4 is next. Hobby case is this Thursday. Full hobby case. Last we'll be doing of any hobby or jumbos. And then on Monday, we have up on the site Topps Tribute, which is always good high-end stuff. And I'm probably gonna have Diamond Kings up tomorrow, and we'll break that on Monday as well. So full case of Diamond Kings and Tribute on Monday. I think Tribute's doing that cool thing again where they're taking like pieces of the stadium as part of the relics, which they did with the Green Monster last year, and that was a huge hit. I think they're doing it with other stadiums now too, which is pretty cool. For this break, who's got who? You got them on the top left there for you. Alphabetically, Adam S. with the Guardians and Twins. Andrew S. Dodgers, Rangers. Chris H. Astros, Phillies. Dan B. Tigers. Danny V. Marlins. David K. with the Rockies. Derek C. Braves, Brewers. Ian H. Rays. Jacob R. Orioles. James D. with the D-backs. Jesse K. with the Mets, Mariners. Mark N. Cubs, White Sox. Angels, Giants. Matt M. with the Cardinals. Nelson O. A's. Ricky B. Nats. Robert R. Blue Jays. Robert T. Royals. Sean F. Pirates, Padres. Todd D. with the Reds. Tom G. with the Red Sox. And V-Rack with the Yanks. Alright. See, like, just like anything. Because I always thought it was cool when Miners Heritage did it. The flag from the stadium. There's been pieces of the dugout. I've always liked that kind of stuff. I know they've done seat relics in the past, but I mean, when you put like a piece of the stadium and then have Cal Ripken sign it, it's pretty awesome. I'm all for that kind of stuff, like the Fenway stuff, piece of the Green Monster, and Pedro's autograph, sick. All for it. There you go, guys. Good luck. Did pretty well on the breaks yesterday. So hopefully we can keep it going. Jackson Coar. Arteaga. Chrome. A lot of that prospect right there. Oh, we got something already, don't we? Looks like maybe some lava. Henry Davis. Vibrations. Alright, we're going to go all the way to the back first. We got Cuero. And then we got a first Ian Lewis 399 Lava Refractor for the Marlins. Fish Danny. See, yep. Any of that stuff. Any of that kind of stuff that links a player to the time of the stadium would be awesome. Wander. Need some Wander. Odds are you're going to get a few base rookies at least out of it. That's why this stuff's always nice. Maybe Color Wander? He's got autos. He's got rookie autos. There he is. Wagner. Oh, we got something. Green. Marcelo Hi-Fi. We got green. For the Mariners, Julio to 99. There you go, Jesse. Julio. Green paper Julio. 50 and 99. Very nice. Denzar Guzman. 2 colors in this box? Take that. Got Garcia, Peguero, PA, and Waller. Alright. On to box 2. Good start. You got it, Jesse. Still early. You never know. Maybe a Clace auto. Got more color. Looks like some sky blue paper. Burger, Leonard, Roy Martin. We got Cubbies, Brendan Davis, $4.99. Chicago, Mark. I didn't realize how high this guy was like on the top prospect list. I think he's like 13 or something like that. He's up there. He's up there. Vargas. Some really great value in this retail. Look at it, purple. We're on a roll. And Blue Jays, Bo Bichette, nice one, $1.99. Robert R. Bo Nose. Tara. Tatis. Arias for the Guardians. Genovese. Oh, got maybe a refractor. Doing well. Matos, Muncie paper. Baker. We got a first Bowman Noel for the Guardians. $344, $4.99. First Bowman refractor, Adam. Numbered chromes have been first Bowmans. Very nice. Final pack, box 2. Gotta make Able. Okay. Here we go. Number 3. 2 boxes, 5 number parallels. It's a great base. You got it, Adam. Great piece. Oh, fuchsia in the back? Man, what a run. We're making a run here. Reed. Nice Leonard chrome. First, Giants, Adrian Sugesti to $1.99. Mark. Another first Bowman chrome color. That's true. We've been hitting Wander like crazy, haven't we? Oh, blue paper. Dude, this is pretty wild. We got a first. It's a Pirate, Matt Frazier. There you go, Sean. Keep getting some nice color out of these breaks with the Pirates. Some nice color. 47 to 125, Mr. Frazier. Yeah, rookies are a little bit tougher in Bowman. Even in a jumbo case, probably get 1, maybe 2 max of them being autos, and then it's got to be Wander. Got Duran. What is this? A base pack? What a rip! Get ripped off. Curtis Med paper, Brady Allen, Veen. Luciano Valera paper. Alright, final pack, box 3. Bobby Witt in 3D. Peraza for the Yanks. Cabrera, Yanks. Cerny and Mitchell. Be nice to get some ink. I want to get ink in the first 5. Be on the pace for 2 autos. Alright, number 4. Oh, there's a Wander. Rookie of the Year favorites. Torkelson. Muziati. Marcelo. Verdugo. Machado. Pineda, he's actually number 100 in the top 100. De La Cruz Chrome, nice one, Reds. There we go, some color. Purple paper of a prospect. It's a Brewer, Sal Frelick to 199. Derek with the Frelick. Thought that was gonna rhyme better than it did. Derek Frelick. Doesn't go. It should, but it doesn't. Med Chrome, Helio. Got Blaze. Base. Alright, final pack, box 4. Look at that. More color. We got, for the Pirates, Brian Hayes to 99. With the retail exclusive green. There you go, Sean. 28 out of 99. Mr. Hayes. There's Pineda. We got Jackson Jobe. Tatis and Beatty. Yeah, that's a lot of color for 4 boxes. Okay, keep going. Box 5, Kovar. Diogo Cartaya. Benjamin pulled his plate yesterday. Got Brady House, Valera paper. There's Clace Chrome. Cabrera, Med. There's another Wander. Final pack of box 5. Rutledge. And, all right, that was a base box. We were due. We were due for one. Just got to bounce back. Just got to bounce back. Here we go. Box 6. There's another Wander, Rookie of the Year favorites. It's a nice insert. There's Leonard Chrome, Dodgers. Bruin. Justice Thompson. There's Wander, right on top. Nolan Gorman, top 100. Elvis Martinez. Final pack box 6. Brandon Marsh. Khalil Watson paper. And that's that. Alright. Number 7. There we go. Alright, back on the color wagon. Cespedes, Hi-Fi Futures, Salinas, first Bowman, Warming, Burnable, the 250 Rockies color match. David. Again, first Bowman color. 178 out of 250 for my man Warming. Dominguez, Drew Waters, Ian Lewis Dominguez. Mr. Baz, Vidal Brujan, Randy, Montgomery, Lorenzo, Ace. Bryson Stott, James Woodpaper. Final pack of box was 7. Alba and Vargas. Alright, here comes number 8. Josh Lowe, Med Paper. Cunha. Is that Jordan Walker, Ian Lewis, Aguiar. Gotta sneak an auto in here. Gotta sneak one in. Colmenares for the Rays. Wilson, Luis Gonzalez. Final pack box 8. Pedro Leon. Another James Wood paper. Guzman, D-backs. 2 boxes left. Here's number 9. Cruz, rookie of their favorites. Brady House. Josh Young. Cabrera Chrome for the Yanks. Backstrom. Justin Martin. Part of the sheet that they cut. Khalil Watson Chrome. Nice one, Marlins. Final pack box 9. Wander in 3D. Downs. Colson Montgomery Chrome and Polanco. Alright, final box. Final box. And the same thing as last time. I'll do a hit recap. Then I'll move all these cards out of this room, and then I'll set up number 2, and then I'll get right into it. Since that is sold out as well. Alright, final box. Good luck, guys. Manning. Waddle. Morris for the Giants. Fidel Montero, Alan Serta. Torkelson, number 2. In the top 100. Leonard Chrome. Davis, Valero. Alright, final pack. George Kirby and base. Alright, give me 30 seconds here. I'll set up the hit recap for you. Paper, another Chrome. There's your Chrome. Alright, here we go. Hit recap 2022 Bowman Baseball 10 Blaster Box Break. Pick your team. Number 3. Number 4 right after this. Already sold out. Sky blue paper of Brennan Davis at a $4.99 for the Cubbies. Purple paper at a $1.99. We had Bo Bichette and Sal Frelick. Blue paper to 125, Matt Frazier, first Bowman, Pirates. Green retail exclusive paper to 99, Brian Hayes and Julio Rodriguez for the Mariners. Chrome refractor, John Kenzie, nailed it. John Kenzie Noel for the Guardians to 499. Lava refractor to 399, Ian Lewis, first Bowman. Purple. Chrome refractor first Bowman of Warming Burnable to 250, the Rockies. And Adrian Sugesti Fuchsia to 199. Fuchsia Chrome going out to the Giants. That's going to do it for the break, guys. I appreciate it. Number 4 up next. Hobby on Thursday. Thanks.